Hello you guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sama and I will be sharing with you guys how I do this manicure at home on my own. So I will be sharing with you how I remove the nail polish, how I prep my nails and how I apply it. During this video I will be using two brands from Aliexpress, Rosalind and Born Pretty. So if you want to know how to use them and if you want to learn more about them, I will be giving some advice during this video and I will be showing the colors at the end of it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Today I will be showing you how to do your nails at home. This is my real nails. This is 2 weeks old. I don't know if you will be able to see it. I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can. So yeah, I'll be showing you the nail polishes that I use. This is Rosalind, which is one of the brands that I use from AliExpress, and this is Born Pretty, which is the other brand that I use from AliExpress. First of all, I'm not a professional, so please, I know you will not agree with much of the stuff I do, but this is what works for me. What I will do most of the time is I will remove it because for me it works better than if I just file it. Most of the time I will just hurt my nails and I will file them more than I should. So that's why. All I do is just remove it like this, which I'll be showing you. You can see they are really looking good. They are, looking good. They can look better, right? But like they are not feeling like they will break or anything. This is what I mean by looking good. And now place to file them. I will shape them and file them, right? With the soft part of the file a bit like the top of the nail and then shape it a little bit. Now you guys, that they are all clean and filed, I'm gonna soak them on water and I will start removing the dead skin. So this, guys, is the before I do all this, and this is the after. First of all, I'm gonna start with the base coat. To be honest, you guys, don't complicate yourself. It's like any kind of nail polish, just do it like really thin layers. It's better to do thin layers than just pick one because it will just break and it will not stay in your nails. It's the best thing, at least for me, it does work like that, okay? And then we will start with the colors. So I'm gonna put the first time 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna put the top coat on the other two fingers where I have put the glitter, and then put everything again 60 seconds, and that's it. It's done. And that's they are that. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of nail polish remover so I can clean them a bit, so they will look good, pretty, and that's it. You see them? They're shaped, everything is good, and they will stay like for at least 2 weeks if I can keep them 2 weeks and I don't remove them before. So yeah, now I'm gonna do the second hand and I'll be right back. So you guys, for the lamp, I got it from TFS Glowing Official store, I guess, from Aliexpress. It has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and low heat in 99 seconds. When it will switch off and switch on, it will do 120 seconds. So now you guys, I'm gonna show you my collection of colors. I have more things here, but this is my collection of colors. I have the top coats here, and these are the ones that I have ordered again, which means they are really nice. Now we'll show you one by one, and I'm gonna write the name of it or the number of it here in the corner of the video. So I hope you liked this video, guys. I forgot to tell you, you can find all the links for the colors and the brands down below. I'll be sharing everything. If you liked, or if you are looking to order, let me know down below. I will be answering all the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'll be sharing more of it. By the way, if you would like me to talk about more things that I usually order on AliExpress, it will be a pleasure as well. So I hope to see you soon, and until then, please take care.